Introducing the Milwaukee M18 cordless caulk and adhesive gun, the most powerful cordless caulk gun on the market. Milwaukee-built all-metal gears provide an industry-leading 950 pounds of pushing force for even the highest viscosity materials. The variable speed trigger and 6-setting speed dial offer precise control of flow rate, and constant flow technology maintains a constant bead. The exclusive Milwaukee anti-drip mechanism instantly relieves pressure to prevent material spilling. The gun has a quick change, rotating collar carriage design, which means quick, easy changes between 10-ounce, quart, and sausage-style material containers. The tool dispenses over 200 tubes of construction adhesive on one charge with the red lithium compact battery. The tool offers a battery fuel gauge and is compatible with the red lithium compact or XC high-capacity battery for increased productivity. Dispense sealants with more control and less fatigue with the Milwaukee M18 cordless caulk and adhesive gun, powered by red lithium.
Bringing the functionality of a manual lopper and power of a chainsaw, the Craftsman V20 Chainsaw Lopper will become one of your most trusted tools. This lopper is able to cut branches up to 4 inches in diameter, making it a smart choice for routine trimming and storm cleanup. The compact design means you can use it in tight spaces or when pruning trees and shrubs. Plus, the scissor-type action and clamping jaws allow you to grab and cut multiple smaller branches quickly. It's equipped with a simple-to-use safety lock and hangs for storage when you're done. Offering true 2-in-1 performance, the Craftsman V20 Chainsaw Lopper makes outdoor projects easy. Craftsman, we build pride.
The new Bosch RHH 181 18-volt core brushless rotary hammer.
It has just as much power than a corded tool. It was pretty shocking when I started using it. I was like, wow.
The core brushless system has the highest efficiency, longevity, and durability in its class.
Lightweight, easy to use, able to get the job done faster and easier. It's got a quick release for the bit to go in.
You pull back on this, you slide it in, and it just clips in. There, you're done. It's very fast, efficient.
The Bosch pneumatic hammer mechanism and innovative motor design deliver best-in-class drilling and chiseling performance.
It's got a twist handle to adjust of which position you want to go to.
Being that I'm left-handed, I can mount this handle either way.
The lightweight design allows you to work all day and still come back for more. New Bosch Cool Pack batteries are designed to reduce heat buildup. These high-efficiency battery packs stay cooler and live longer.
Introducing an 18-volt cutout tool that can keep up with the high productivity standards of drywall contractors. The 18-volt cutout tool with a slim body design and 30,000 RPM for fast cutting. With the Makita 4 amp-hour battery, this cordless tool is engineered to make enough cuts for up to 100 gang boxes on a single charge. The 4.0 amp-hour battery provides 35% more runtime per charge than the 3.0 amp-hour battery. And it charges in only 40 minutes, so it spends more time working and less time sitting on the charger. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.
Heading camping, to the pool, or beach? Ryobi's One Plus high-volume inflator is just what you need. The high-volume inflator blows air through at 210 liters per minute and at pressures of up to 0.5 psi or 0.034 bar, allowing you to quickly inflate your air mattress, paddling pool, or pool inflatables with ease. It can blow up a queen-sized air mattress in just 2 minutes. This high-volume inflator can be used as a workshop blower, allowing you to quickly clear any workspace of dirt and debris mid-project. The inflator can also be used as a deflator. Simply attach the nozzle here. The high-volume inflator features a lock-on trigger switch, letting you inflate larger items without suffering from any fatigue. A pinch valve accessory is included and has convenient onboard storage. When used with our 5 amp-hour Lithium Plus battery, the inflator can work for up to 1 hour and 20 minutes. This high-volume inflator is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your One Plus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the One Plus system of over 70 great tools for
I'm Adam. Been working on cars now all my life. So we're at Lehigh Valley Grand Prix, and I am the go-kart mechanic. Keep 38 go-karts up and running, nice and fast and safe. So here we have the 12-volt Ingersoll Rand belt sander. This thing is awesome. It takes place of the angle grinder, which is large and hard to get in a lot of places. The head is variable. It can change to many different positions. It's got lots of power. I've been using it to clean up welds afterwards or different brackets. So this tool has helped out a lot. Where I'm usually using a hand file in tight areas where I can't get my large angle die grinder in, or angle grinder, I get to use this. And it seems like more and more every day I find a new application to be able to use this tool.
Every gardener knows it's the finishing touches that really bring your garden together, from a perfectly manicured shrub to smooth, clean grass. Ryobi's new One Plus 18-volt combination shear shrubber is more than up to the task. This versatile tool is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for working with at any angle. The overmold grip ensures it's comfortable to use for extended periods of time. In shrubber mode, the mini hedge trimmer blade is 20 centimeters long, with a blade gap of 10 millimeters. This means you can cut branches up to 10 millimeters thick. The dual action blades should be used for manicuring hedges. You can make precise straight cuts or perfect intricate curved surfaces. It's great for maintaining topiary and box hedges. To switch between the shrubber and shear modes, no tools are required. Simply unscrew the knob on the bottom, remove the current blade, and replace it with the shear blade attachment. The 12-centimeter blade ensures a smooth cut, whether around a mailbox or a precise cut around a flower bed. If you have a large area to trim and would prefer to stand rather than kneel, the shear is compatible with an accessory pull. A simple, tool-free adjustment enables you to quickly switch between handheld and standing modes.
Don't let plug pipes drain your wallet. Reach for the 24-volt cordless automatic drain auger core tool from Sunjo to clear out clogs with less stress and strain than a manual drain auger, and for less than the price of a plumber visit. Weighing less than 8 pounds, the portable handheld unit powers through clogged drains around your home, or anywhere powers at a premium. Powered by Sunjo's exclusive eco-friendly Ion Plus lithium-ion battery system, 24V DRN CLN offers multiple battery power options for rechargeable runtime with no fade power and performance and a world of 24-volt tool possibilities. The variable speed trigger adjusts with simply a squeeze from 0 to 560 RPM to quickly break up blocked plumbing faster than traditional manual augers. The flexible steel cable extends, retracts, and rotates to feed easily down into and then back out of the drain. The 1/4 inch wide by 25 foot long metal cable with corkscrew tip dislodges obstructions up to 20 feet down the drain pipe and is designed for clearing conventional plumbing up to 2 inches in diameter. The onboard drum with built-in drain plug neatly coils up the retracted cable and drains easily to prevent standing water in the unit. And the included LED light provides extra visibility when a little light is needed in tight or dark spaces. Plus, every Ion Plus tool is backed by our complete 2-year warranty. So next time you've got a backed up drain, go with Joe and grab the 24V DRN CLN cordless automatic drain auger core tool from Sunjoe. Get equipped.